Chapter 16. Securing the System Step by Step.
The unauthorized reproduction in whole or in part of this publication in any form is prohibited.
In this lesson, we will dedicate ourselves to an overview of basic issue of system security. Let's start with dividing the hard disk into partitions.
In order to maintain an optimal level of security, we recommend the division into the partitions //swap/var and /boot.
After having performed this division, we shouldn't forget about the correct settings of the administrator's password. The password shouldn't be too easy or too short. We recommended using passwords containing special characters.
Only the use of a sufficiently difficult and long password will allow us to secure our system optimally.
Now, let's proceed with setting simple rules for filtering the network traffic. We will use the script that we have prepared earlier. Let's copy the auxiliary files from the disk included in the set.
The startup of the firewall.sh script will cause the packets incoming on all ports to be blocked, with the exception of 20, 21 FTP, and 80 HTTP. We can check the set of the rules currently valid with the iptables command. After a preliminary configuration of the rules for the network traffic, we will now proceed with switching off the superfluous services. Therefore, let's analyze the /etc/inetd.conf file.
As we can see, at the present moment a number of services are available that we don't intend to use. We will switch them off by using the commentary sign.
In order for the changes entered to be visible, it is necessary to reload the inetd configuration daemon first. We do this using the command kill all hup inetd. To commend out the records of the daemon inetd configuration file, we can also use the ready-made script inetd.pl.
If the SSH service server is installed in the system, it is also necessary to use a secure configuration. After making changes to the configuration file, we must force the reloading of the program settings. Now let's proceed with the next, the verification and configuration of the programs which the SUID attribute. We will use for this purpose the sup.pl program. It will generate a list of files that work with administrator rights. After a moment, the SUID text file has been generated which contains the applications it has found. Let's have a look at it and make modifications. We update the settings using the sup.pl command. As we can see, the S attribute has disappeared from the string representing the access rights.
If we don't want every user to be able to change his own password, we delete the SUID attribute from the /usr/bin/passwd program.
The last operation we will perform is to determine the secure terminals where the administrator can log on locally. After performing the basic configuration, we shouldn't forget about the kernel of our system. The current kernel version is located under the address kernel.org. So we have now reached the end of the basic system configuration. Advanced security mechanisms will be presented in Lesson 18.